Hi traders, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to you from Dubai. Good morning. I hope you had a good day today, or you're in the morning as I am and you want to know what will happen to markets today. My trading ideas you can use only if you know how to trade, if you know how to put stop loss, you know money management, and you know what your target is. I help you here with an idea of technical picture, where to put stop loss and what your target is. Is there anything that you may trade today? Because sometimes there are moments that there is nothing to trade, and it's much better to sit and wait, but not to trade. Sometimes during the week, you can make only 2 deals. Sometimes during the day, you can make like 5, 7 deals. It depends on the trading situation, not on me, not on you, not on the moon, but on technical picture, on news that we have. I'm here on YouTube for you for free, just to explain what I do for the market for like 14, 17 years. It was since 2008, I guess, when I started to trade. It wasn't easy, and it's not easy even today, but I'm trying to do my best. If my trading ideas help you, please press thumbs up under the video. If you don't know how to trade, please write comments under the video. Maybe I make more videos explaining what I do here. But you have to understand, this is a profession. Trading, investing is a profession. It's not something that will make you rich in one night. It will take your time. It will eat your time. If you're not agree with that, I think you shouldn't try to trade, okay? Waste some of your time, and in a week, in a month, maybe in a year, you will become a trader. If my trading ideas help you, you're welcome to say thank you to me. Thank you very much, and let's go to check what's up with the technical picture. Here is American dollar index. Current price is 105.70. I was showing you this technical support about 105.30, 105, and here is the 200 moving average. It is an important technical dynamical level. Right now, price is trying to hit this dynamical level of support. If they do hit it and price goes under this technical level of support, they will go down to 103.30. Over here, they will go down like this, boom. Historically, since 2022 and earlier, it is an important level, 103.30. It's important since 2020. You can check it on your MT4, MT5 as well. But what we need for these short positions for American dollar is price to hit this 200 moving average. After that, it will be much more easier to decide to hold your short positions with American dollar. If they break this level of support, 103.30, they may go down to 98, 99 area. It is not a forecast. I'm talking to you about technical levels. After that, after we know technical levels, we have to decide how to act. We open for our chart and we're like, okay, is there any pressure from the bottom side? I don't see it. It looks like price is ready to go lower, but we never can be sure until price hits this support. Hits means that close price of 4-hour chart, close price of daily chart, or close price of 1-hour chart is under this level. And the next candle of your time frame where you trade is also under this level. What they can do, they can make this fake break. It means that one candle breaks the support and next candle goes up. Usually it happens when there are some good news. So we'll watch what's going on, because right now American dollar is in a good support, which may become a level of resistance for us. We go to euro dollar, and over here your next level of resistance is 1.06. There are some traders who say to me, oh Maria, I'm selling euro already. I don't see any signals to sell euro today. What I'm thinking about is about China, because in China, in this Apple city, they block cities they block, they block the areas because of COVID. And this may be a reason for people to go and buy safe American dollar, but not to buy risky instruments. And in this moment, yes, euro dollar may give us sell signal. But so far, it looks like euro is going to 106. From 104, they go to 106. On weekly chart, this is a good level of resistance. On 4-hour chart, right now, there is no sell signal. On 1-hour chart, right now, there is no sell signal. Even you can see pressure on the bottom side. Yes, it gives us an understanding that euro is still strong. Not the euro itself, but we can see weak American dollar, and there is nobody who wants to sell euro. As you could see, PMI from Eurozone, it's not that bad as we were supposed to be for the last period, for October. And maybe right now, this is one of the reasons why euro is going up a little bit. I would say that this is a correction, and it's going up a little bit because we saw those downgoing tendencies since 2020. So this one is a correction. Okay, we always check the history of currency pair, and you can say that since 2008 it's going down, down, and down, and right now it's only a correction. We go to Great Britain pound, and we see that current price is 121. On daily chart, they hit 200 moving average, and there is no sell signal. On monthly chart, above 121, they may go up to 130. On 4-hour chart, there is no sell signal. If we try to predict next level of resistance, we take into account this upgoing tendency, and we can say that next level of resistance is 122. I would say 123, but Fibonacci levels show 122.77. Above 122.77, it's 124.30, and after that 126.70. So far, those are important levels of resistance, and if price is above 121, you can predict that they will hit 122.77. If you check 15-minute chart for Great Britain pound with American dollar, you can try to sell this currency pair only after they break 200 moving average. On 15-minute chart, every time I put it as the fattest line, red fattest, the biggest line, so I do understand if market breaks it, and I can act in different way. But so far, here is no reason for us to sell Great Britain pound. It may be different in 1 hour, in 2 hours, in a day, but I'm showing you current picture. And only after price hits this level of support, we can try to find sell point. For American dollar with the Japanese yen, thank you very much for your attention to my project and to your comments. I really appreciate it. I know that there are a lot of traders who do the same as I do, and I do love your trading ideas. I love when you share your ideas. It helps. As you know, it was like 32 level of resistance near 150, 152. It wasn't 150, it was like 152. After that, price is going down because of weak American dollar. I don't say that, yeah, check this out. They're trying to show the strongest sell signal ever. I don't say that this is a downgoing tendency and we should only sell every time when market is showing this upgoing tendency or downgoing tendency. I can act towards one tendency or another after I know levels and after I know signals. So if you check this upgoing tendency, for example, like this, you can say that under 139.70 they go to 132, and it is fair. I like this level of support. On daily chart, here is one more level of support, which is 135. My previous important level of support was 134, but right now I would move it to 135. If they break this green line, which is the minimum price on 11th of November, which is the minimum price of 24th of November, After they break it as a support, I think we should try to sell down to 135. Okay, maybe I'll hold it down to 134, but if we check 4-hour chart or 1-hour chart, and we'll see a rebound over here, maybe on Friday today, maybe on Monday, this will be entry point for a long position. So on 4-hour chart, I will be checking shadow on the bottom side, and if they show me this shadow on the bottom side, and in the same time I see American dollar trying to go down, this will be entry point for me for United States dollar with the Japanese yen. Other way, they go down to 134, 135, and 132. We can go to check Brent oil, because as I see, Brent oil is on its way to 77 area. But if you want Brent oil to go that far, we need to see strong American dollar. And actually, I have a hope that American dollar will surprise us. So I do expect price to go this low to 77 area, and you'll see later it will be there. Not tomorrow. I don't know when. Maybe it's gonna be today on Friday. Maybe it's gonna be on Monday or in a week. But this is my technical target right now. And if they show me this sell signal together with American dollar, I'm going to be extremely happy, because this will be a good signal for us to sell euro, to buy United States dollar with Japanese yen in the same time. And it all depends on American dollar. Actually, I do like an idea that American dollar may give us a rebound and go up because of the situation in China, because of COVID. I can tell you why, because if you check the statements from America about how people buy futures, how they buy options, you will see that here is a huge demand on gold and silver lately, and there are more long positions than short positions. It means that people buy silver, they buy gold, and you can say that yes, price is going up. I do agree with you. But at the same time, I'm not sure that this is, this is a demand which is needed. I mean, like, this is not a trading system and they're trying to cover the risks, because sometimes if you buy futures, it means that you're trying to cover a risk if it will not go down. For example, on the spot market, you sell, but on futures market, you buy. And this is what I mean, and what I could say to you is a trading strategy for someone. And in a news list, we are reading in something like, okay, they are buying gold, and there are a lot of long positions for silver. And everyone will be like, yes, I should hold my long positions. I should hold my long positions for gold and silver. They'll hit the resistance. But after that, in a day or 2 days, price goes down. I'm not trying to predict something right now. I'm just explaining you how I think. And there are many moments when I read something in a news list, and in the same day or the second day, like they say, here is a gold, and it has a huge opportunity to go up. The price should go up. And they explain why. I even made those shirts for my Russian speaking traders. And I was like, okay, they say that here is a huge opportunity for price to go up because of that, and that. And I was like, it looks like a tricky moment, and we should try to sell gold. Let's check. Other 4 days, price was going down. Like after you see on a news list that it's a good opportunity to buy, it means that there were many big traders who were buying it. And right now, for us, for small fishes, it's too late to buy. We should try to sell it. So right now, yes, there are news that are saying that gold should go up because long positions for gold and futures are rising. And the same for silver. So that's why I'm going to be extremely happy if it's going to happen other way. So I will only prove my idea that news are lying to us. I'm not telling that news are lying to us. I mean, like, that those news are too late. When you read something, it's too late to act like that. Let's come back to technical picture. So for Brent, now you know my technical support at 77. Let's go for gold. Current gold price is 1,756. Okay, we discussed with you that level of resistance 1778. They hit the resistance, they give us rebound. For rebound, our target was 1720. Good, they hit our target. Right now, what should we do? I don't have picture that would be understandable on daily chart. I check weekly chart. Here is nothing I can tell you like, yeah, this is a signal. Let's check for our chart. I check for our chart, and you know what? Until they are in a Shimoku cloud, the price is in a Shimoku cloud, anything may happen. So what I would use, pay attention now, level of resistance 1769. Yes, 1769, it is important. So after you see price hitting this level, you may decide from here either they break it, so the close price is above the level of resistance, or they give you a rebound and we sell from there. We go intraday on 1 hour chart. Okay, right now it doesn't look like a good idea to buy. Okay, we go on 30-minute chart. Same. I mean, like to sell. No, here is no opportunity to sell right now. No opportunity to sell. So I would wait this 1769, and from here intraday I'm gonna try to sell. If you check 15-minute chart, because volatility is not too high, you'll be like, oh, there is no signal as well. That's why we should wait for this level of resistance. If they don't hit this level of resistance today, they may hit it on Monday, and I'm gonna also act due to the behavior near this level. Either they break it or they give a rebound. Now we go to silver, my favorite silver. Current price is 21.40. I do trade silver from time to time. There are some good moments when we were buying from 14. I didn't buy at 12, but I was buying at 14 because I had technical signal. I didn't hold it up to 29 because I didn't have the target by technical signals. I was selling silver not from 29 but a little bit later after I got some technical signals. And right now what I'm doing, from time to time I still sell silver. I don't buy it, but I still sell it. Why? Because 22 is an important level of resistance for me. Technically for me, for the last 15 years, it is an important level. It was a support, a resistance, and now it was a resistance. I'm not telling you that it's going to go down. The price is not going down yet. And they still may hit like 22 or 22.50. But right now, intraday volatility is not that high. So we can act on 30-minute chart or 1 hour chart together with RSI period 14. The zone for selling silver, the zone for buying silver. So after they hit 30 area on RSI period 14, I'm gonna think about closing short positions and opening long positions. But for me to open a deal means that price is near level of resistance. So technically I need to find this level of resistance. If I want to buy, I need to find level of support. And if RSI hits 30 area and they give me shadows on the bottom side, it means that I found this level of support and I think that this is a strong one. And after that I'm okay to buy silver on 30-minute chart intraday. On daily chart, it doesn't say anything to me. On weekly chart, it doesn't say anything to me. On monthly chart, the same picture. On 4-hour chart, I wouldn't like to sell it because they're not showing me any signal. But it doesn't mean that they can't go down, actually. Sometimes I do check it with those levels, like, okay, look. Here was the resistance. They break it, and now it may become a support near like 21.20 area. Check it out later, 21.20 area, and from here they may give a rebound. But for me to buy silver or gold, I need to go on American dollar index chart and check either American dollar index is moving the same or giving me the same signal. Yes, it is important. So usually before I enter market, I check different time frames, I check different RSI signals, and I check American dollar index, I check Dow Jones and S&P, because for example, S&P right now, they're not giving me any signal on daily chart. But level of resistance, which is important, is around 4,000. If they hit that, I would understand it technically. So there is no sell signal now. If you check Dow Jones on daily chart, level of resistance is a little bit higher, 35,240. There is no sell signal on Dow Jones right now. And it doesn't help me to buy American dollar. If I would see sell signal here, or a really good level of resistance, I would decide to buy American dollar and sell indexes. So yeah, that's what I act. I usually check different instruments, I check different time frames and also different indicators before I decide to trade. It's kind of the same with DAX. I'm waiting for a sell signal over here, but I didn't enter market yet. I don't have any sell position here. Because on weekly chart, yes, it is really important level of resistance. 14,400, it is important, but they're not showing me sell signal. Here is one more level of resistance, 15,500. Maybe I'm gonna get sell signal over there. And you will be like, but why you're not buying? Because price didn't stay above important level of resistance, like 14,400, for sure. Because yes, they're staying around this area, but it's still not strong picture. It still looks like any 4-hour candle, they may go down. If you just try to buy, maybe I'll be lucky to earn here. You may try to earn here and buy right now. I wouldn't do that because I need to see those shadows on the bottom side. I need to understand that here are some news that will help DAX to go up. So far, I don't believe in that. And any moment I am waiting for short signal for DAX. I'm not telling anything like wait with me, but I'm explaining my position and I hope it will help you to earn. Press thumbs up under the video, stay with me and watch my other videos, ask questions under this video below over there. And of course, I wish you huge profits. You are wealthy, you're healthy, and you'll become really rich with trading if you wait for your signals. Bye guys, bye from Dubai.